What if I told you that 83% of data breaches happens because of API authentication? Hi, my name is Anubhav and I'm a software developer in Bangalore. So from today we're gonna start a comprehensive course that will transform how you think about API security. This API authentication and security course is specially designed for developers who want to master real-world authentication systems. Whether you are a junior developer struggling with OAuth implementation or a senior engineer who is architecting enterprise level security, this course offers everything from fundamental concept to advanced authentication patterns. Over the next several sessions, we'll journey through API fundamentals and security landscape, authentication versus authorization, and why the difference matters, JWT tokens and session management, OAuth 2.0 implementation patterns, Zero Trust API architecture, real world security vulnerabilities, and how to prevent them. By the end of this series, you will confidently implement production ready authentication systems and understand different patterns which are used by major tech giants like Google, GitHub, and Stripe to authenticate their API. If you want to level up your API security game, then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we are releasing new episode every week. So let's get started then.